Honestly, I did not brush my hair today, so sorry about that. Hey guys, it's Sadie, and today I'm super excited about this video because when I was planning it, I was just getting so excited and like so ready for the new year. This video is going to be some New Year's resolutions, but these are not just any New Year's resolutions. They are unique and creative ones that you probably haven't thought of. I am so excited for this video. I'm so excited for you guys to hear these resolutions. And yeah, so if you guys want some unique New Year's resolution ideas, then keep on watching. I was trying to come up with some New Year's resolutions myself, and then I realized that it's so much easier when you can separate your life into areas and then make a resolution for each area, if that makes sense. So some areas of your life that you can focus on can be physical, emotional, mental, educational, experiential, professional, financial, relational, and spiritual. I don't know if the last one applies to everyone, but I'm just gonna give you guys some ideas on what areas of your life that you guys can focus on. Now I'm gonna get into the actual resolutions that I am very excited to tell you guys. Let's get into it. Also, I'm using my ring light today because the weather outside is so bad, and I literally woke up and it was pitch black in my room, and usually it's not. I have a little window up there that gives me sunlight, but it was literally so dark and it's freezing rain right now, and I don't know, so the lighting's a bit different. I'm sorry about that. The first thing that I actually was researching because I found it really interesting, and it's to spend more time in nature. Try to make a point that when you're hanging out with your friends, maybe go outside or go to a drive-in movie instead of a movie in a theater, or go for a walk in a forest, or watch the sunset. There's a reason why when you watch a sunset you feel so happy and relaxed, and it's because being in nature is scientifically proven to make you happier. It also boosts your immune system, and it can also make you more creative. So definitely go outside, even do like a photo shoot outside. Find a way to make it a priority to go in nature sometime. The next thing is pretty simple, but a lot of us tend to look past this. I am guilty of this, but it's to enjoy the little things. And this seems like such a small resolution to have, but I feel like a lot of us are super caught up into like living life to the fullest and having all of these huge goals that we want to accomplish, and we're only gonna feel accomplished if we reach those goals that are huge and like far in the future and just like something that you wanted to do for a long time. Learning to enjoy life's simple, tiny little pleasures like good weather, just appreciating nature like the stars and the sun and sunsets and stuff. Getting to pet a cat or a dog on the street is literally one of the best things ever, because enjoying the little things will make you so much happier. It's just super cool. So definitely try it out, and I think it will make your year a lot more enjoyable, in my opinion. This next one, pretty common. You guys have probably heard me say this a ton of times, but just declutter your life. I'm not gonna spend a ton of time on this one. I have a video on how to declutter your electronics. I have tons of videos of me cleaning up my closet and reorganizing my room. Reorganize and declutter everything in your life because it honestly makes such a big difference. That's why I always repeat it in my videos. Just make yourself relaxed by decluttering everything in your life. Many of our New Year's resolutions are usually very inward focused, so it's like being the best us and making sure that we grow and that we are successful in the new year and that we're happy and all of that stuff. But something really great to do is to focus some of that energy outwards. Doing something nice for someone every single day. It could be the littlest thing, like complimenting someone, helping someone carry something. It's this resolution that's going to make the world a better place, because also when you do that, you get this sense of accomplishment and happiness. Once you do something nice for someone, it makes that person want to pass it on. Do something nice for someone every single day and you will feel much happier with yourself. Create a workout routine that includes a ton of different types of exercises. One of the most popular causes that makes people stop working out or not motivated to work out is because they're tired of what they're doing and they keep repeating the same thing over and over, and they're not getting the same results as they were at the beginning. It's just bad to keep doing the same thing over and over because you're probably going to get bored of it. So if you are bored of regular workout routine, try completely random different ones. Like go on the internet and search up yoga or Pilates, or there's also like boxing classes, there's Zumba. Literally Just Dance is so fun. So if you have Just Dance, invite me over because I will play with you. I'm not even kidding. There are so many fun ways to work out, and you're probably going to get better results if you're liking what you're doing to work out rather than kind of hating it while you do it. That's a loud garbage truck. Before the start of 2020, try to sort out a financial worry that you've had. A lot of us have probably spent way too much money eating out. For me, it's Starbucks. I'm sorry. I've spent so much money on Starbucks. It's bad. Pinpoint that area of your spending that you really want to diminish and actually start acting on that. Or do you find that you're buying a ton of like bad quality clothes and it would be better if you just invested in this one pair of good quality jeans rather than buying a new one every like 6 months? Obviously this will help you save money, but it will also relieve a ton of stress. One of my huge New Year's resolutions this year, and it's actually a pretty fun one, is to capture more moments. And by this I just mean taking photos, and not just with my phone, because sometimes the pictures get lost and then you don't really get to look back at them, but with my Polaroid camera or even printing them out at Walmart. You guys know I love my matte Walmart photo prints. You guys know that. Take more photos so you guys can look back on your year and have physical photos and like Polaroids and stuff. This one is pretty weird, but it makes so much sense.
Science lesson!
Smell is associated to the parts of the brain that are connected to your emotions, and they store memories. Certain aromas can affect your mood. So what I would suggest is finding a perfume or a smell that really makes you happy. Wear that every day so that you feel like comfortable and happy, and when you smell it, it'll remind you of a good memory that you had maybe, but just having that like signature scent that makes you feel happy will actually boost your mood, and it's like scientifically proven. So definitely try it out. In 2020, try to compliment yourself more often. Positive self-talk is a habit, and literally anyone can do it. You guys can do it. I'm talking to you right now. You can do positive self-talk even if it seems impossible. Feeling grateful for yourself will make you happier, more relaxed. It'll make you sleep better, and it will encourage you to make other people feel accepted and grateful for themselves as well. It's gonna brighten up your day so much. The next thing is to become not only more confident but also more conscientious. So it can be bad if you're too much of one of them. I guess not conscientious, but like you guys know what I mean. You don't want to get like too confident or like full of yourself or whatever, but you are more likely to take chances and to be successful if you are confident in yourself. So give yourself credit for what you do every day. Notice the things that you get done every day and appreciate yourself for that. Confidence is definitely directly linked to success, so you are way more likely to be successful if you have confidence in yourself. Also being more conscientious, so being more organized, more punctual, more thoughtful of others will also improve your happiness and the happiness of a lot of other people around you. This is a sign, if you've been looking for it, to do that thing that you've always wanted to do. If you want to start a business, if you want to start a clothing line, if you want to start a YouTube channel, you want to adopt a pig, do it. Like literally just do it. Just start something. Start somewhere. It doesn't have to be good. Make something that's tangible for you to recognize that your dream can come true. Like have some tangible like thing, you know what I mean? Ask people that are in the industry questions, explore what you want to do, like research it, find out more information. Just do it. Just start. Just start. Something that you guys can also do is plan a trip at the beginning of the year, even if it doesn't look like you're going to go on that trip at all, whether it's financial situation or just the timing of it. You guys know law of attraction is a thing. If you plan the trip and if you plan all the details about it, then it is way more likely to come into a reality. Have that in your head that you're going on this trip to Hawaii and you are going to stay in this resort and you are going to eat a bunch of exotic fruits. And if you have that in your head and you get excited about it and you feel the emotion, the universe will respond and give you that trip. Something that you guys can also do is try to make one genuine friend a month. Expand your social circle, and this can literally be anyone, but definitely make it someone that you would actually want to be friends with or that you just want to get to know better. So make a conscious effort to attend more social gatherings, go up to new people and start conversations, have a chat with a stranger or introduce your friends to some new friends. Making friends with different people that have different personalities and interests and backgrounds than you will broaden your horizons, make you a more well-rounded person and someone that you can really get along with. The last thing is to keep learning and keep growing. Just keep motivating yourself to learn about something new. Keep your brain going. Listen to a podcast, learn a new skill, like on Skillshare or something, explore a hobby that you have wanted to try. Just keep learning and keep growing and become a better version of yourself. You right there. That is going to be it for this video. I am so excited for you guys to hear these New Year's resolutions that I think are pretty unique and fun to do. So let me know which one is your favorite. I am so excited for 2020. There's so many exciting things coming and it's just gonna be the best year ever. I can feel it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you guys so much and I will see you in my next one. Bye.